don't believe the food crisis is real. Does this seem familiar to you?
This edition's top stories. The Department of Health and Wellness is continuing to adhere to established protocols and guidelines to the coronavirus.
Breaking now, communities spread the new cases of coronavirus in Allegheny County.
Why the COVID-19 pandemic has had little impact on the global food supply chain so far, international organizations are warning about food security problems in the future.
This is the calm before the storm.
It's the whole world versus a virus.
Look, this is serious,
We must declare war on this virus.
Have some empty shelves at your grocery store got you worried? That's certainly understandable, but we want you to know that there are currently no nationwide shortages of food.
Everyone is panicking.
Yeah.
Oh my days. Look at that. There's nothing in the shelf. Oh my days.
The shelves may be empty for another reason. There's been an unprecedented demand for certain food products during this public health crisis. We're asking, though, that you only buy enough food for 1 or 2 weeks, no more than that.
This is a time for prudence, not panic. Science, not stigma. Facts, not fear.
If you're concerned about the global food shortage, then let us help you grow and secure your own local food supply. Why struggle to buy enough food for 1 to 2 weeks when you can grow your own food to eat for months and years to come? Click below to get started now.